Laban Pilipinas! Wala, tingnan nyo mga kapudi. Ka-DIY kunti na lang ang score 64-67, kumpiyansa kay Georgia. Huwag nyong maliitin ang Pilipinas. Lalaban yan. Small but terrible. Alak kayo dyan, mga ka-DIY. Kanina, grabing tambak ngayon. Habol na sila. Woo! Yes! Foul. Okay, good. Junmar Pajardo. Ayan na, 64-67. Third quarter pa lang yan. Kinakabahan na ng Georgia, mga kaputi. Mga ka-DIY, ano bang tawagan natin sa isa't isa? Halain ka na. Yun yung score. Kinakabahan na. Pag maka 3 points pa isa. 3 points! Tabla na! Wow! Woo! Tabla! Ala ka! Nabiglang timeout na. Foul na naman ang Georgia, mga ka-DIY. Naratol na ang Georgia. Huwag niyong maliitin ang Pilipinas. Hoy! Labang na naman mamaya. Isa pang 3 points. Ang talino talaga ni Coach Stamkon. Pinalabas lang sandali si Kai Soto, mga ka-DIY, bigla na. Hala ka. Kanina pa sabi yung commentator nila na papasukin daw si Kai Soto, pero alam ni Stamkon yan. Ay, sayang. Okay lang, bawi lang. At least nakatay tayo. Ayan, nakangiti na po yung mga Pilipino. Mga players natin, mga Pilipino. Nakangiti na po si Junmar Pajardo po. Okay, kaya nila ang laro. Huwag niyong maliitin. Wala. Okay lang yan. Bawi tayo, bawi. Nagkachamba lang sila. Bawi lang tayo, ha. Third quarter pa lang yan. Sidestep! Yes! 1 point. Bawi, depensa. Alright. Ayan na tayo. Depensa lang. Wala. Rebound. Oy, foul! Tulak! Woo! Pushing foul yun. Klaro ka ito. Momentum na yan sa inyo, ha. Great kay pinasok kasi si Tamayo. Very good, rep. Very good decision, rep. Push talaga yun. Nakita talaga yung foul na yun. Ayan. Asas! Dala nagtikas ang Georgia, mga ka-DIY. Galing ha.
Super solid game and a super solid tournament. Dwight Ramos. One of the starters.
Shot ang dalawa. Labag na tayo! Woo! 1! Okay, tie score na! Wag muna tayo mag-celebrate, mga ka-DIY. Okay, kasi third quarter pa lang yan. Labag na tayo for the first time! Woo! Lamang na! Alright! Lamang na ang Philippines. 71-70. Ayan na. Kunting tiis na lang. Ayan, depensa lang. Alright, wala. Rebound, yan. Very good. Ayan na, 3 points na naman. Pop! Okay lang. Bawi. Defense. Bagol. Uy! Wala yun. Bola. Okay lang. Japet. Bawi lang tayo, Japet dyan. Bawi lang tayo, ha. Relax lang. Lamang lang sila ng isa. Pag ma-shot niyang dalawang free throw na yan. Huwag niyo munang papasok si Kai Soto. Alam ni Coach Stamkon yan. Alright, wala! Alay! Tie score lang natin daw, sabi ng Georgia. Okay lang yan. Sige, depensa. Relax lang.
transition to try and make this game more up
Relax
and
lang
down.
tayo, ha?
Because now,
Relax lang.
There's only 11 minutes left in the game. Can they get to 18 from 19 points?
Alright, tabla. Time out muna, time out.
Makes the second one.
Ay, substitution pala.
Gonna
Substitution.
replace Shengelia.
Okay lang yan. Laban lang tayo.
Much needed and deserved rest for the captain.
Tingnan yun si Justin Brownlee. Wala yung pahinga. Ay, na-steal. Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Bawi lang, bawi lang. Ay, wala. Ay, sus.
To punish them.
Okay lang yan. Bawi lang, bawi lang. Alright. Bawi lang tayo.
Baseline there for the Philippines.
Bawi lang. Chill lang, Brownlee, ha? Chill lang. Yan.
Houston.
Itag lugar.
Oshka kids are right there with him. Shot clock ticks down to single figures. Brownlee
Walang imposible yan kay Brownlee.
with a hand in his face.
Ah! 3 points na naman! Good job, Brownlee! Nasa atin ang Panginoong Diyos. Mananalo lagi kayo. O, tabla na naman. Sige. Alright.
Thomason gets stuck under the rim.
Alright. Wala yan. Alright. Philippines ang bula. Doon ang bula. Doon ang bula. Oh, makipag-argue pag yung ka. Klaro kayo. Bisan ako ang nanunood dito.
And Brownlee.
Alright. Ayan, Brownlee. Kunting tiis na lang.
Thank you very much. Hand in the air. 26 points for Justin Brownlee, equaling what he got last night. And we haven't even started the fourth quarter.
He's having to carry the team with no Soto. He's going to get all of 12.5 seconds in a row.
Okay lang yan. Pahinga mo na. Kahit konti lang.
Perez is out there. So Perez will get the ball and try and get the shot away inside the last 12.5.
Oh, it's in his direction.
Turns it over.
Yeah.
Okay lang yan.
Sanadze.
Wala.
He
Rebound.
tries to make the tough bucket.
Wala. Hagis.
Here's Perez at the moment. Oh, he gives it off this time.
Bang! Woo! Score yun! Score yun! Score yun! Score yun! Alright, 76! Woohoo! Delikado ang Georgia! Kayo ang matagak!
Let's have a little look at this.
Nan.
Okay, we're gonna review the trend line that T4 both shot was released. Okay, we're ready. Okay, red line.
Oh, na-release na! Release na!
Appeared before the shot
Release
was
na!
released. Basketball count, okay? Basketball count, okay?
Oh, buzzer beater! Score! Points!
No basket.
Ay, ay.
Well, it's a game of milliseconds, isn't it? The scores remain level in the third period. We haven't
Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. At least tayo score. Sige, referee decision yan.
And at the end of the third quarter,
High
it
score.
is Philippines 74, Georgia